front of me is Blackview A90 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. First of all, find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. If you wish to discard it right away, click on this bin icon and tap on discard. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on this right button over here, name your recording and tap on save. Then click on the right button one more time and as you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to go back, you need to click on, click on this button again, and if you wish to delete your recordings, you need to hold the chosen one and tap on delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!